Hey everyone! Let's dive into an exciting concept that's a game changer in the world of investing, the magic of compounding profits. Imagine turning $1,000 into a whopping $1 million in just 10 days. Sounds like a dream, right? But stick with me, because the math behind it is truly fascinating. Day one starts simple. You invest $1,000 in a venture, and by some stroke of luck or sheer brilliance, you double your money by the end of the day. Now you have $2,000. Here's where compounding comes into play. Instead of taking your profit out, you reinvest the entire $2,000. Day two, your $2,000 investment doubles again. Now you're sitting on $4,000. Notice how you didn't just make another $1,000. You doubled your entire initial investment plus the profit from day one. Fast forward to day five. Following this pattern, your initial investment grows exponentially to $32,000. That's in just 5 days. It's not just about making money. It's about making your money make more money. By day 10, if you continue to double your investment daily, you don't just reach, but exceed $1 million. You hit an astonishing $1,024,000, from a mere $1,000 to over $1 million in less than 2 weeks. That, my friends, is the power of compounding profits, earning money on your earnings, which then earn on their earnings, and so on. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, growing bigger and faster with every turn. Now, I know what you're thinking. Doubling your money every single day is not a typical scenario in the real world. It's extremely rare and highly risky. The point here isn't the exact numbers or the timeline, but understanding the underlying principle of compounding and its potential. Compounding can work with stocks, real estate, or any investment where your returns can be reinvested for greater gains. Even at a much smaller scale and with more realistic rates of return, the principle holds true and can significantly impact your financial growth over time. So, what's the takeaway? Start early, reinvest your returns, and let compounding do its magic. Whether you're investing in the stock market or starting a business, understanding and utilizing the power of compounding can set you on the path to financial freedom. Remember, it's not just about working for money, it's about making your money work for you. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that wealth together. Don't forget to like and subscribe.